What we're seeing right now is that the big players in the game, in the industry, they are already doing this.
We see this as an excellent opportunity for you guys to up your sustainability profile.
You need to generate the data to actually showcase what are you doing in terms of sustainability.
Structuring the intake of data, making sure that you generate data so that you have some kind of notion of the carbon footprint of your products. We see this as an excellent opportunity for you guys to up your sustainability profile and by that kind of increasing your presence in the market from a sustainability perspective.
If we're talking about consumer goods in terms of electronics, you can now get cradle-to-cradle certification. So this means that you can actually reuse or repair every single part of the product. So it is a big movement, and it is actually, it has been moving for quite a while. But it is definitely starting to gain some traction now with the new legislation. So this means that you need to generate the data to actually showcase what are you doing in terms of sustainability. So you can showcase this to the end customer. Because if it's just stored in the back room and you don't use your data actively, to pursue the next client or to tell your narrative, then it's not used. And you need to be aware, how do you collect this data? What's the quality of the data? What's the process around collecting it? How much can be automized? All this has to be in place before you can actually firmly say, what is my sustainability footprint?
Exactly. So you can say that this whole process is designed to kind of force manufacturers into applying a more sustainable business model. And kind of our notion here is that you might as well just get started, because it'll give you a competitive edge over potential competitors again, because you position yourself in the market at an early stage as the natural go-to company for sustainable products. And I think that's an excellent opportunity that you might as well grab.
That's important to get started. It's a journey.
It's a journey, but please just go ahead and let's take a look at it.
Exactly.